Hello students, today I am going to start our last chapter, financial statements, and this is the introductory chapter of financial statements. So in this chapter we will discuss about what are the main financial statements and when it is prepared and for what purpose it is to be prepared. So first is meaning of financial statements. So financial statements are those statements which are prepared with the object to specify the trading results of a certain period and the financial position on a specific date. So the term financial statements is related with financial position of the company or any business enterprise. Through these financial statements, a businessman can prepare final accounts at the end of a specific period, and through which it shows the financial position, actual financial position and profit earned during a specific time period. These are called final accounts, and these final accounts these are known as final accounts because they are prepared at the end of the financial year, and after preparing final accounts no further recording of transactions are done in that financial year. So final accounts are the final last accounts which are prepared at the time of ending of any financial year. There are three main final accounts, which is first is trading account, second is profit and loss account, and the last one is balance sheet. So these are the three main final accounts which are prepared at the end of each financial year. After recording journal entries, then posting into ledger. So second step is posting the journal entries into ledger accounts, and after preparing all the accounts during a fixed period of time, then we will prepare trial balance from the balances of all the accounts which have balances. All those accounts are posted into trial balance, and from trial balance these final accounts are prepared. Now next is aims or significance of preparing financial statements. What are the aims or significance? Means importance of preparing financial statements. First is to know the profit or loss of the business, to know the actual profit or loss incurred or profit earned, loss incurred or profit earned during a specific period of time, or we can say during a financial year. One financial year is for 12 months only. Second is to know the financial position of the business, that is to have information of assets and liabilities of the business. This is the main financial position. And financial position, we can see financial position of business we came to know through balance sheet. Balance sheet gives the actual financial position of any business. Third is to fulfill the object of bookkeeping. To fulfill the object of bookkeeping, from journal entry to final accounts, all accounts are prepared one by one.